Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create Alex emoji style reels with AI for free. Firstly, what you will do is simply come to this website, which you will find the link in the description box below. The name of the website is called Submagic. As you can see, this is the URL. You have to create an account over here. What you will do is just simply upload your video over here. Now, just simply choose the language that you want. Then click on upload. Now it's going to take some time to upload the video depending on the internet speed that you have. Now after the captions have been generated, you will find all the subtitles right over here. So these are the words that was said in this particular reel. Now if you want, you can obviously edit them whenever you want. As you can see, you will find a visual representation of how it will look when it will be on the screen, as you can see right over here. So just simply ignore the top part because the reel already had a caption generated. So just simply ignore the top part. The only thing that will be visible in your reel, if it already doesn't had a caption, it is the bottom part right over here. You can edit the reel whenever you want. So let's say I want to change this and it will change in real time. Now obviously you can design the reels. Click on design panel over here. Over here you will find all of the styles like Hormozi, version 1, version 2, Imon Gadzi, Ali Abdul, and a whole lot of popular creators style. Let's say for example, so currently it is set on Alex Hormozi's version 2. If you click on that, it is the version 1 and you can see the reel down below over here. Obviously, you can change the position, the size, and color. This is the third variant of that. So, this is how it will look like, as you can see right over here. Now, if you want Ali Abdul, you can also do that. So, as you can see right over here. Then, the Mr. Beast style, it is also available, as you can see right over here. Now, in some reels, there will be 3 variant colors. Now, as you can see, there are 2 types of colors, white and blue. And while changing, there will be a third color, as you can see right over here. So, you can obviously change all of those colors as well, right over here. Now, as I just said, this is an AI-based software, so you also have some features regarding the AI. Over here, just simply add some description about your video in this field and it will create a Instagram or post-like description for you. So you don't even have to type your own description, as you can see right over here. Now, lastly, in order to download the video, all you have to do is click on export. As you can see, while exporting, you will have to pay a fee, but I have a workaround that as well. So as you can see, the video is completely playable right over here. So all you need is to hide this particular watermark, which you can do it with any free watermark removal software. To get the video, all you have to do is you need a particular extension in Google Chrome, this one right over here. So it is called Screen Recorder. Let me show you. So this is the extension. So you can find this in Google Chrome Web Store. Now how it works, all you have to do is click on this option, then just simply click on only screen, then choose system plus mic if you have a mic, or if you want, you can only go for system. So it's totally up to you. Then click on start recording, choose the window where your browser is, or just simply choose window directly like this. Then click on share. Now in some cases you might find this option over here. Then click on start again, go to window, choose the option. But before that, make sure to enable this option right over here. Then again try to do this, and if you're still facing the issue, just simply record the entire screen by clicking on this option, choose the screen and share. And after that it should work without any issue. All you have to do is just simply play the video. Now after your recording is complete, just simply pause it or just simply stop that. Now you will have your entire recording with the audio, as you can see right over here. So now all you have to do is just simply save this first, and when you're done saving, just simply crop the video entirely. In any software you have multiple options. So as you can see, you can save it wherever you want. So just simply crop the video and make it a real size, and then you are good to go. That's it. And thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.